Today I've got two altcoins that I want to talk about that I think are really good and I think have really good asymmetric upside potential for the future and in the upcoming bull run that we're probably going to see sooner or later. So the first one is Monad, currently at 350 million market cap. Now you might think that's quite a big market cap, but it's not, because this is a layer one, and obviously we've seen many layer ones go into the billions or even tens of billions, and in some cases even 100 billion plus. So this still has plenty of potential growth at 350 million market cap. Okay, and the chart looks pretty good. The chart just looks like accumulation so far. It's had this big pump and dump at the launch, which you see on a lot of coins. So if you see here on the token unlocks, there was a big unlock in 2025 of 50% of the supply. So this obviously pushes the price down quite a lot, because this is basically like inflation. This is coins being thrown into the supply. So similar to like when money gets printed, like the US dollar for example, when more of them get printed, they become less valuable because there's more of them. So the ones that you have become less valuable because they're less scarce, right? But inflation, obviously, with real money, it only really goes up like a little bit at a time. Like I can't remember the exact rate, but it's only like a couple of percent or something per year or something like that. So over time, your US dollars become less valuable or whatever other currency you're in. And that's basically what's happening here with this, right? Except it's 50% in one hit. So obviously that's going to devalue it a lot more than regular inflation. And a lot of coins do this at the launch. They have like an initial big unlock, which causes a pump and dump. And in a lot of coins, you want to be waiting for this to happen before you start buying. So yeah, that big unlock is out the way now. And these are the unlocks that we've got coming up in the future. So starting from November 2026, there is 1% per month. So that's not that bad. If the market conditions are bearish, then maybe this is going to suppress the price quite a bit. But it won't be that bad, right? And if the market conditions are bullish, then it's not going to matter much at all. Because a lot of projects have way more unlocks than this. This is not bad. It's not bad at all. It's fine. Completely acceptable. And yeah, obviously there's that big pump and dump at the launch, and then it cooled off, and then it's just been pretty much a sideways accumulation since. It's been going up very slowly, right? So people are bullish on this and they're accumulating, right? And what it basically is it's a high performance chain similar to Solana. Solana's a high performance chain that can handle lots of transactions and it can handle lots of things going on, but it's fully EVM compatible. So Solana's not EVM compatible. Basically there's different programming languages, right? And Ethereum, I think, is Solidity. I'm no expert on this, on the technology. I'm more of a charts guy, right? But I'm pretty sure Solidity is Ethereum and Rust is Solana. So this allows Solidity or EVM, Ethereum. The people that build an Ethereum, they can come and use this. Whereas on Solana doesn't allow for that. So the people that are building on Ethereum can't easily migrate to Solana if they want to, right? But they can easily come to Monad because it uses EVM anyway. So obviously, Ethereum's the biggest ecosystem in the whole landscape, right? So it has the most developers in it. So if this Monad can take a big chunk of those developers and bring them over here using this, that obviously has a lot of potential. And so yeah, this is like a high performance thing similar to Solana. Obviously Ethereum's slow, right? And the layer 2s on Ethereum are a bit faster. Like you've got Base on Ethereum, but it's still not as fast as this. This is 10,000 transactions per second. I think Base is much less than that. And I think this is, I can't remember how much Solana is. Again, I'm not an expert on the technology, but what I do know is that this is fast, right? This is much faster than pretty much all the other EVM compatible chains. And this could potentially basically be like Solana, but for EVM, right? It could be Solana, but for all the EVM builders, they want to come over to this, right? And it could be like, there could be a whole meme coin trading ecosystem on Monad, and among other things, right? There could be other things going on. So that's basically what it is. And obviously that has a lot of potential, considering it's 350 million now. If it goes into the billions, you're looking at 10x to 3.5 billion. And if we get a really good bull run, and this is one of the winning coins, and it goes to 20 or 30 billion, you're looking at 20, 30 or more X's, right? Potentially, maybe. So this is a pretty good mid-cap altcoin that I think has a lot of potential. And another one is Virtuals Protocol. So this is currently at just under 500 million market cap. And this is bullish because this is the main AI agents ecosystem coin, right? So this is the biggest AI agent coin, basically. It's pretty much as simple as that. So this had a big run up in 2024. I'm sure you probably know about this if you've been in the market for, obviously, since then. It had a massive 100x run, and since then it's quite a bit down, right? It went up to like 5 billion, and now it's at 500 million, so it's a 10x back to the all-time highs. And yeah, this is basically the best AI agents coin that we've got. This is the safest AI agents ecosystem coin. Obviously there's going to be other ones that are more riskier, that they haven't proven themselves yet, right? But this one's already proven itself. So this could potentially go back to its all-time high, because obviously AI agents are still bullish and they're becoming more bullish, right? AI is becoming bigger and bigger. So this one's going to continue to survive and be successful, which has already proven itself so far. It's still holding up. It hasn't gone all the way to zero or anything, right? It's been holding up pretty good. It had a big run up. A lot of coins have a big run up like this, and then they dump way further down, right? But this one's actually holding up good. And again, it's because AI and AI agents are still bullish, so this one has potential still. And yeah, a 10x back to the all-time high. And obviously, if we get a massive bull run for crypto and for AI and the AI agents, then this could obviously take out this high here. And you know, this could be potentially a much bigger coin. Because we could maybe see something similar to 2021. Like obviously in 2021, the altcoin season was much crazier than 2023, 2024, right? There was a massive altcoin season in 2021. In the future, we could see something like that just for AI coins, right? We could just see a crypto bull run, and then there's just a massive AI season, right? Instead of an altcoin season, it's just going to be an AI season. We could see something like that. This could be a really good one if you're betting on that, right? If you're betting on that, then this could be a good one. Yeah, this project is basically the main coin and the main project where you can come and build an AI agent. So you come on here, you open the app, and then you can build AI agents in here, right? So this is like, yeah, simple as that. This is where you build AI agents in this service, right? In this project. And yeah, again, the chart looks pretty good. It's had its initial massive run, and it's had a cool off, and now it's just kind of going sideways. So it looks good to me, and I think it still has more potential for the future. And I'm always looking for those big opportunities for the future, whether short term, mid term, or long term. So if you want to stay up to date with everything I'm doing, and you want to join the community I'm building here, then the link for my Discord group is down in the description. Feel free to go check that out. Also, don't forget to drop me a like on the video, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.